Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Click to start and type services. Okay. Right click to run as administrator. And then after that press W. W means VLAN auto configurations. Scroll down. VLAN auto configurations. Okay. So this is for LAN. Double click. Select the automatic. Stop. And then again start. And then click to apply and OK. Then select this again left hand side you can see right restart, click on it. Okay, and then close. Then next method, click to start, type cmd, right click to run as administrator. So first command, type this one. Okay, second command this, third command dns boom, then this, then next ip configuration new release, like this ip config new renew, and then hit enter and then close it. The next method, reinstall the wi-fi adapter. So click to start, type device manager. So click on it, then find out the network. So this is network adapter, right? Extract. So guys, VLAN, wireless, WLAN, Wi-Fi. This is all the Wi-Fi name. Okay, select wireless, VLAN, WLAN, and right click to uninstall. Okay, after that click on action and click to hardware changes, and then it will come back again, and then select this, then right click to update. So click automatic search and then close it, and this is also close. Next, reset network setting. So click to start, click on setting, and then click network and internet, then click advanced, scroll down, advanced network setting, and scroll down, click on networks reset. So click reset now. Okay, then next method, click to start, type cmd, right click to run as administrator, and repair windows file, repair windows system file which is corrupted. So type this command, this is very useful. Okay, and then hit enter. So after that it will start the percentage. After it finish, then try to second one when it is 100% completed, and then just close it, then again open cmd and then right click to run as administrator. Then second command is very important, as fc space slash scan now, and then hit enter. Then restart your system and then please check it, okay, when it is completed. Thank you. Then you can see wi-fi saved or wi-fi or not. Okay, thank you.